So electric kettle is a handy appliance that makes your work easy and less time taking. Using a pan for boiling water is not only time taking but also exposes you to the risk of burns. With an electric kettle, you don't need to go to the kitchen every time you need a cup of tea or boil a glass of water. Its sturdy handle lets you touch it immediately after it stops functioning without having to worry about burning your hands. It also has a wide mouth for easy cleaning and hindered lid for convenience. This electric kettle has an durable stainless steel body made of 304 stainless steel. It also has a detachable 360-degree connector power base. It has a convenient spout which makes easy to pour. You can easily and quickly use it to prepare your coffee, hot tea or milk. It has ergonomically designed body. Just place the kettle wherever you feel convenient and make your favorite beverage within a short span of time. It comes with a power indicator suggesting on and off and convenient on and off button. Also has automatic shut off for safety and power saving.
Easy and attractive kettle has a capacity of 1.5 liters and is a pro at boiling water in almost no time. The water level indicator allows you to measure the exact amount of water you need, making the process simple and effective. The coolest feature of this kettle is that it automatically cuts off the power supply when the temperature inside the kettle exceeds the desired levels, thereby protecting the appliance from accidental